Welcome viewers. Now we are going to solve question number 1 of exercise 8.4 chapter 8 Introduction to Trigonometry. If you have not subscribed this channel, subscribe it now by pressing red subscribe button. Also press notification bell to access latest video. Question number 1 reads as express the trigonometric ratios sin A, sec A and tan A in terms of cot A. So in this question we have to express sin A in terms of cot A, again sec A in terms of cot A and tan A in terms of cot A. So to express these trigonometric ratios in terms of cot A, we need some trigonometric identities. So let me write those identities, that is 1 plus tan square A equals to sec square A. Another one, 1 plus cot square A equals to cosec square A. So you might have thought that how this relation comes, from where I am writing this relation. So I have already discussed these things in Introduction to Trigonometry. If you have not watched this video, the link is provided in the description box given below. So now we are going to solve the question. Solution. First of all, we have to express sin A in terms of cot A. We have to change sin A to cot A. So we have to interrelate the trigonometric ratio. So look here cosec square A is related to cot A. We also know that sin A is related to cosec A, that is sin A is the reciprocal of cosec A. So we need this identity. So from here, starting from this identity, we have cosec square A equals to 1 plus cot square A. Now we can write cosec square A as 1 by sin square A, because cosec is the reciprocal of sin. This equals to 1 plus cot square A. Now we can write sin A in terms of cot A. This implies 1 by 1 plus cot square A equals to, if this go to this side, sin square A, or sin A equals to root under 1 by 1 plus cot square A. This equals to root under 1 is 1 by root under 1 plus cot square A. Therefore, sin A equals to 1 by root under 1 plus cot square A. Thus, we have arrived at the result sin A equals to 1 by root under 1 plus cot square A. Now we have to change, we have to express, that is sec A in terms of cot A. That is sec A in terms of cot A. So how to express? Look here, there is relation between the sec A and tan A. And also there is relation between the tan A and the cot A. So we start from these identities. We have sec square A equals to 1 plus tan square A. We know that. So this equals to 1 plus tan square A means tan is the reciprocal of cot, that is 1 by cot square A. So this equals to cot square A, here cot square A plus 1, that is sec square A equals to cot square A plus 1 by cot square A. Therefore sec A equals to root under cot square A plus 1 by cot square A. So if we are taking square out, then this will be root under cot square A plus 1 by this is cot A. Thus we arrive at the result sec A can be expressed as root under cot square A plus 1 by cot A. Now the third one is very simple, that is we have to express tan A in terms of cot A. We know that tan A is the reciprocal of cot A, that is 1 by cot A. This is we can write directly. So thus we arrive at the result, we have expressed sin A, sec A and tan A in terms of cot A. If you enjoy this video, click the like button. Thank you for watching this video.